Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can assign the accessibility reduce transparency shortcut to the action button on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, you want to scroll down and tap on Action button. Next in here, you want to swipe across until you can find accessibility. From here, tap on the drop-down list. And from the list, you want to select Reduce Transparency. So this feature can improve contrast by reducing transparency and blurs on some backgrounds to increase legibility. And after that, you can go back down, swipe back down, and from here swipe up to go back to your home screen. Now if you press and hold on the action button, it will turn on or turn off the reduce transparency feature. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.